Hey everyone, today we're back with another video and we'll be making creamy vegan oatmeal. This recipe is honestly so easy. It's only a couple of steps and it tastes amazing. So for this you'll need thick rolled oats, cinnamon, raisins, bananas, and any nut butter of your choice. Make sure you're using thick rolled oats. That's what gives this recipe its creamy, thick consistency. To start off, we'll be using the bananas first. We want to give these a little bit of browning, a little bit of color. It adds a nice depth of flavor and also sweetness. Now we're going to add in the oats and we're just going to give it a mix. Next go in the cinnamon and the raisins. And we want to make sure that everything is mixed together. This recipe is super simple. It's literally just adding everything into a pot, mixing it, and waiting. Now we're going to add in the water. And we're going to let this cook for a little bit. You want to occasionally give it a stir so that nothing sticks to the sides and nothing sticks to the bottom. After about 7 to 8 minutes, we're going to add in the cashew butter or any nut butter of your choice. This is what adds the creaminess without adding any cream or milk and makes it vegan. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll get something that looks sort of like this. When you start to plate it, it'll just kind of droop out all together and look super creamy and super rich. You can top it with whatever you like. I like adding on more bananas and more raisins. You can add seeds, nuts, whatever you have on hand. And there you have it. It's super simple, super easy, and you have to give it a try. Thank you guys for watching and let us know what you think. Bye.